Dr. Yitzhak Dreamer, hello to you.
Hi.
The founder and creator of the Ultimate Medicine. First of all, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
You're in a timing of bringing the knowledge of the Ultimate Medicine in a variety of courses, and there are many people that are coming to the center of the Ultimate Medicine, and they are feeling kind of contradiction. On one hand, they are extremely successful on the beholder of the Western eye. On the other hand, they are feeling many aches and sadness, and they are feeling that they are not fulfilled. How the Ultimate Medicine can help these kind of people?
So people coming with a presenting problem, they think that the problem that they're coming with, it's their major problem. But it's only the up message. Usually you have two types of messages or two types of dominant thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is the one that you are aware of them. You're aware of your thoughts and you think that they are your dominant thoughts. But the real thoughts that are dominant are the hidden ones. The other one that really steer you in life. The subconscious thoughts, and they're coming from many experiences that you have in your life before.
Give me an example of one of the patients that are coming to the center.
So for example, I have a patient now that she's very successful in business, very young, very successful, making a lot of money, having very good job in promotions, and she
from the Israeli Silicon Valley.
Yes.
A startup nation.
Exactly. But there is no happiness there, no smiles, no play, no fun in her life. And it leads to a lot of other symptoms that she came to deal with. So when we're looking at her and we went back to see where it all began, we found out a little girl that was under a very traumatic environment when she was a kid. And she had to be on a survival mode all the time, self-defense, most of the time when she was a child. So she couldn't experience real childhood with happiness, game, and laughter. So she was already an adult when she was a child. And she ran all her life to become like that. And she became very successful in one thing in her life, but she was lacking in everything that was in the emotional part, mental part. So there is no smile, no happiness. Success in one side, but it was an account of something else. Now her programming, her internal programming, old program, which was the dominant thought, run her life. Not what she thinks that runs her life, run her life. So when we got to that, and we allowed her to become a child again, that can play, can sing, can laugh, can jump, can become a child from the adult point of view, then we released her from a lot of her problems that presented now with fears and anxiety and overweight and on and on and on and on, and it failed relationships. So once we got to the dominant thought, dominant management that is subconscious with her, and release that, then we start playing the game now with her. Now she started being more compatible with her successful life in business and a successful life with her own personal life.
And the Ultimate Medicine reveals those hidden aches in the past of the person, the real essence, the real seed of the pain, and then it's elaborate you and your team to help the people to really overcome their aches, the psychological ones with the immediate psychology, the physical ones also.
So when we're using Ultimate Medicine, we can touch everything. So you don't need to send her now to another psychologist, which you've been to a few. And you don't need to send her now to a body worker.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't need to send her now to a dietitian. We work from all these angles because we recognize, first of all, we recognize which one is the most important and what is the hierarchy of the needs, and then we give her each treatment from what she needs. So one of them was immediate psychology that we developed. Second one was understanding of biochemistry and the right foods, the right times, whatever, that she needed. So we gave her a very good type array of treatments, and if she had body pains, we could deal with that with body work that we do. So that's why ultimate medicine touches you wherever you need to be touched.
And if people are seeing that unique video episode and this interview and they want to be part of this ultimate medicine, they want to learn it for themselves, for curing their own aches or helping others in the courses or coming to a therapy, it's something that just leave the message and you're open for new community members.
Right, so today we having 2 centers in Israel that we treat people from all kinds of variation, think that they're coming with presenting problem that they think it's the real problem, which is not. This is one. And second, today we open courses that we teach people what they are. Teach them what's their hidden messages and what's the up messages or what the conscious messages that they have in their life, how to treat themselves and how to help others if needed. But first of all, how to treat themselves, to understand themselves. Yes, absolutely.
The Ultimate Medicine, Dr. Yitzhak Dreamer, thank you very much.
Thank you.